The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Dustur. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Kakun New Trap National Awakening Movement KHNAM Lingbau Nongelam Jongkau ba Thomas Pasa kalapan pau ba ka iga bajah rilom garuhi habban kenno yaki nongelam ki ba menshwa lom ba kadai hi ki jingbam dan ki an ki ba Shai bat menta kombadan ke jingong ba Khulom ukham klanbor bani ko wajlam kumta habban ya dai ki Riti Dustur do Khulom mu banep bat ba Shai ban Thoh ki an ki Kanun ki ba Biang. Kani ke jingkran do ba Thomas kelalong ke jinglang pajba blakhat penlong the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization komso hamat pran ha kharbai tregul bera jar pun rio ban kershan i jej ben rio karu ha jingile junki ban pakhang ki bomde rulum ban shimanta ne khun ha election MDC sha GHADC
Ngin yang Riti kum ka jela ban ya khun yakini ki breu ki bawan Biang. Let today be the day that we remember and we send a very clear message to the others that whenever one of the brothers of the state, among the three tribes, whenever you attack one of them, we will unite as one and we will fight you back. Man kapor haba kasya her thma kariti ka Dustur ko jongi lami ki torot sing haman la kapor ba kadon ka jing persyang ban pelong merau ya kacai beri ko mi lami ki kyang nang ba terot sing kinong ya le jong kacai beri ko ni bat kum joru na kacai beri nang thena po rilom garu ngadum penjurong ya kacing keren ko jonga henre ko dan gawai ka kentin pareng ka bukyong teng teng Khulom ukham khlan ban ya kawai lam sometime the pen is mightier than the sword. Di nakatagadaw na kaliyang kajongi. Naduk isnam ibalalen. Ngila persang man penbor bangin penkelano ya kaan. Dan Ngin Ïada ya Riti ka Dustur ka jongi da Khulom banab u Shai lamba ki an ki Kanun ba Biang. Menta kasni ngoi ka ruling jongka High Court badan borom bala scrap no ya ketuk notification badan kam sidul trai bala pen mi ka Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council kini baro ki jingja teng teng kumengyong kai ka bala jia po garo nimla banlan hapken no ya kinong yalam ki balalek ki bamenswa ki bala yo ban bat ya ka bor sinsa rang te po Kyrwoh Hills. Whatever has happened in Kyrwoh Hills we cannot deny. We have to put a blame on our past leaders, our legislators who have been authorized to make law in the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council. They have failed to protect the Kyrwoh community through an act. Kyrwoh Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, we need a very clear protection by law. And just to elaborate, taman pensai kindian, ka Constitution of District Council Rule 1951, ladang ikwa ban Ïada ya ka Jaintia ya ka Khasi ba ya ka Kyrwoh na ka tingsa tuklar. Jogi ki bamdei ki Khulom, ha niya po District Council ngihaban penkala ya ka ni ka ED rule ka basis pa arbupra so para 1 ba sa para 3. Bat kadai ka kam ka basuk na ka basuk tang badle. Ya keren na kapor sa kapor. It is high time that all the three district council will bring amendment to the 128 AD rule sub para 1 and sub para 3. And if this is done, I guarantee you, nobody can put a finger or try to encroach into the district council. So therefore, today, let it be the day that as a community, we demand from the state government, especially from the district council, to bring immediate amendment to the 128 AD rule and to bring a special protection to the walls of the three district council. Nagalang ko jonging ay kublay ya ka komso kapla bu ini ka jingelang namar kun ka jaj benreu haban bu ini ka jingelang namar ting ting nyiap pun kam na ka jong la ka jong ka jinge nge pe nya klet no pada ya ka jinge jong ka community ya jinge ka jong ka jaj benreu nya bu no sarut la ka dang wa ku blai kerbang ya komso kapla khot ya ka jingelang pernah ma mangi wei pe wei min kendit benreu namar ni menta ka sini kita pelaan pelong ni kena kejigalang hang ni buat peran ni dai ban pensikana bahaden sans pas nemru mangi ke belong trai ni dai ban yo ya kena hok ni dai ban nut ban pelong kena kejigalang ni dai ban syahir cuma dari ban syak ban pendobor
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya